Hirap maghanap ng project, no? Well, today, I'm going to tour you to one of the best projects here in Cavite. So don't worry, because I gotcha. Human Shelter Realty Corp, your partner in finding the home of your dreams. So welcome to Newville Townhome. So guys, we are here in the living area of Astrid unit. So kung papansin nyo, this huge sliding window na kasama talaga upon turnover. And also, very secured ka nga naman because you have this steel grills na kasama na at installed na paglipat mo. And ayun nga, since we are concerned about your security, we also have this metal steel door for you. So, yan, ang tibay-tibay yan guys. Iwas anay. And now, let's go to our kitchen area and dining. So, kung mapapansin mo, meron ka ng kitchen counter dito. And yes, tama ka dyan. Since sulit pag-complete nga si Duraville, kompletong-kompleto upon turnover. So, you have this acrylic kitchen counter na nakikita nyo. Yes, this is the actual turnover kitchen counter. And it also has built-in cabinets. So, ayan. Napakaganda. It also has outlets here na pwedeng-pwede mo naman gamitin if you have small appliances. And eto. So, ano nga bang meaning nito? Definitely, dito mo lalagay yung ref mo. Because you have this outlet na malapit dito. Yung turnover natin sa bathroom dito sa first floor. So, lahat ng nakikita mo dyan, all these hardware fixtures are included. So, you have the sink, you have this bowl with flash, and the shower. And let's go to the service area. It has 2.5 meters wide. So, ayan, it can be converted to your dirty kitchen or to your laundry area. You can also put coffee table here. You know, yung habang naglalaba ka dyan, pwedeng-pwede kang umupo at magkape-kape. And guys, alam nyo ba, nakakatuwa ko. Eto, yan, mga made of steel na siya. So, you have the steel staircase there. And ito, yan, made of steel na din siya. So, matibay na matibay. And now, this is the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. So, suitable siya for your kids or perhaps your office at home. Now, guys, andito tayo sa ating second floor. And this is the second bathroom. It's a full bath or full toilet na may sink, bowl with flash, actually may bidet pa siya, and may shower. But you know what? This is exciting because it is a connecting bathroom here at master's bedroom. With balcony. So, diba, ang ganda. Because definitely after a long day work, you can just sit here and chill with a cup of coffee. So, what are you waiting for? Reserve this unit now. Again, this is Chavinas, your partner in finding the home of your dreams. So don't worry, because I gotcha.